Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I appreciate you guys taking time into my YouTube channel. I'm so excited to be back again with another video. So in today's video, we're going to be looking at some of the items that I picked up, and I picked up these items having my deck setup in mind. So these are some of the things that I'm going to be using in my deck setup, and then you will see as I'm building and growing it up and then sort of like developing it. So these are the items that I've been picking up for the past 2 months or so, and some of them I will be using them when I'm doing unboxing like this one. So let's jump right into it. So this is just some of the items that I've collected, and I have some sitting right over there, but I don't want to unbox them all of them at the same time. Like I said, on the series that I'm doing of my setup desk series, there will be part where we actually look at the accessories, and then these are some of the accessories that are desk related, others are just unboxing related. So I'll actually specify which ones are for those. So let's just put this one aside and look at this first guy here. So what we have in here is this light, or basically this is just a what we call it's a element. So this is just like an element. We still need a tube that goes into this element. So this light, what I'm going to use it for, I'm going to use it right here. So what's going to happen is I'm going to use the pegs. So I have the pegs for my backdrop that I used to use when I was doing photography, which I don't actually use anymore, but I think I've found them a job, which is going to be me using this guy to actually do the reviews. So basically, let me just show you how this looks. Tried to sort of like set it up, but I think I kind of like mess it up because it's been sitting here in the house for quite some time, and I've been procrastinating into getting the tubes. So if I can show you, this is basically how it looks like. So you actually put in 2 tubes inside here, which I don't have them at the moment. And what's gonna happen, let me see if I can put in this this shield. So what's gonna happen in here is, it's quite a mission to actually put this thing on. I'm gonna put it aside, but I'm gonna using these guys here. So these are the pegs that I'm gonna use. So let me just demonstrate for you how it's gonna look like when I have the pegs on it. So it's gonna be like this, and then I'll actually put it right here. So I know it's not balancing the moment, so I'll put it in here like this. And then when I'm doing an unboxing, I'm gonna have like a standard well distributed light that's actually reflecting here on my desk. So basically that's what I'm gonna be using this for. So it's not gonna be something that you're gonna see on the video, but it's gonna help me a lot when I'm doing unboxing, especially on the bigger table that I have over there. And then this will help to have enough and sufficient light on the table when we're doing unboxing. So these are the pegs. These are not official pegs for what I want to do, but I've been recommended to go to Broadcast Lasting to actually get the ones that will work better and they'll give me stability. So that's what I'm going to look into for that. So this is just for me when I'm doing unboxing and the reviews of the item, so that I can get sufficient light. So the next guy that I have is this one right here. So this one basically is just the it's not a MagSafe, but it's actually a card holder that you actually stick at the back of your phone. So this is what actually gonna go in here. It's gonna stick in here, and then I'll be able to put in I think it also supports 3 cards. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use this more often because I'm in the process of charging the phone, but I don't think I'll actually stick up to my phone. But I think I'll give this to my wife because I know she likes putting her card behind the phone when she doesn't want to carry the wallet. I also like to do the same. I might consider using it on my iPhone 6 so that I can put at least 3 cards and I don't have to carry a wallet, something that comes in handy, and I don't have to have a wallet on my desk. So this will help me with that. I'm not ready yet to use this, so you'll probably see when I'm actually get to use it. So I have something missing. Where's my other part? Okay, it's fine. So basically the next item that I want to look into is this guy. This is a dongle. Well, it's more like a converter, USB-C to USB-A. So let's just open this guy. I think this is one of the mini dongles that I have in here. So this is Type-C. I basically bought this for my MacBook, so it's adding into the collection. So there's actually things that you need to look into when you're buying converters or dongles like this. Number one, it's actually the size, how wide it is when you put it into the MacBook, because chances are if it's wider, it will actually cover the next port, which means you won't be able to use the next port. So something to bear in mind. And another thing is the durability. I had one that I bought in for, even this one is cheaper, but I got it on special from Takealot. It was $85. The other one I bought it for $99 at Game. However, it's a plastic material on the side, and I think I've been using it since I bought the MacBook, so it's almost 2 years now. So it's starting to be loose. Proper job for this guy. I know I deal a lot with dongles. So one down. So let's put that aside. And then the next guy that I have here with me is this guy right here. So basically this is an SD card reader, which is something that I've been meaning to get because it actually supports Type-C. The one that I currently have is the one that actually forced me to have a lot of these guys, because I had to actually convert from normal USB-A to USB-C so that I can actually read SD card when I'm doing video editing. It's actually a lot of stress to actually work with those things, because I'm actually connecting 3 things into actually the first thing, including the SD card. So by the time I get the SD card connected, it's actually a long mission. So I chose this one, which is Type-C, and it is a short cable between itself and where it's going to connect into the MacBook, which is something that I like. And I won't have to carry a lot of cables and longer cables into my bag, so less stress. And I also chose the black one so that it becomes uniform to the desk and everything around the setup. So let's go ahead and open it. I don't think there is much of instruction in here. Yeah, there isn't much. The instruction is just say it just shows you the type of the device that you can connect. So don't know what is listed or not listed, but the interesting part that they say it supports USB 3, and it is a card reader which syncs up to 5 GB per second speed, and it also supports backward compatibility with USB 2.0 and USB 1.1. It actually supports USB-FI certification chip, and it's a plug and play, and support hot swapping. You don't actually have to install any drivers on this, and there's no external power supply required. It's actually USB powered, and then it draws the power directly from the USB-C. This is a latest style of USB 3.0 Type-C connector. It works with latest computers and smart devices such as Apple new MacBook 12-inch, Chromebook Pixel, Microsoft Surface Pro, Lumia 950, Lenovo Yoga, and many more with USB-C port. So basically that's what they say. And then I think it also supports SD card conversion. So if you have SD card, MMC, RS MMC card, and then SDXC, and normal micro SD HC card, and also UHS card with a high speed memory card stick. Yeah, there's a lot of things that have been mentioned here. Let's see if we'll be able to make use of all of them. So they said it's, yes, compatible with both Mac OS, Android, as well as Windows. So which means we can use this on Windows, Mac OS, as well as Android devices. So let's go ahead and open it. So it comes in this package. I'm very confident into this product. I haven't used it, but I think I'm going to use it, and I will tell you guys probably on my next video. So make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss that video. So probably on my next video, I'll actually give you feedback as to how it works, because I'm actually going to use this to actually throw out that footage into the computer and edit it and upload it by tomorrow morning. So stay tuned. So let's put this aside. We don't need that. And then the last item for the day, this is from Takealot. It's a lamp, and I'm going to show you guys as I open it, but I want to say something. That's why I actually put in that disclaimer. So this is looking like this. It's wrapped in a foil like material. So basically when you get something like this, it means it's either it was returned or its packaging was damaged. However, you still have a right to return it. So I think for me it's already too late, because I've been having this since August, I think. Yeah, since August. So I don't think I'm still in good chance of returning it, because I've kept it for so long. And I'm really hoping and praying that it works the way I want to, or the way I anticipated. Already it feels like it's a steel thing, which anyway, we'll see. Should be black in color to match with the uniform of the desk. So let's go ahead and open it and see how this thing looks. I don't even have a knife. Let's see if I have something in here. Okay. Okay, that wasn't so difficult after all. So this is the light. It's a swing arm desk lamp that I picked up from Takealot. I don't know if you can see due to reflection, but basically this is the lamp itself. So let's go ahead and open it. Actually bought it this specifically for this desk. So that's what we're gonna be using, or that's where we're gonna be using this lamp on. I don't know if it does come with the bulb inside, but we actually see. I don't know if we will get to test it, but today is just focusing more on the unboxing. And let's go ahead and open it. Seems like this might need to be assembled. Yeah, it comes in pieces. Okay. There is no manual instruction or anything. Yeah, there is actually nothing. So this doesn't look like it has been opened. So basically, probably I was wrong, but the packaging looked like something that was returned. So this doesn't look like it has been opened. So yeah, so just the thing that's written on the box, probably these are specifications. So this is a heavy duty construction, and then backed enabled decorator finish, adjustable shade, which is that one there, rugged lamp base. Oh, it's this guy. And then it is a convenient rotary switch, versatile 30-inch extension, you recommended size bulb only, and then rating voltage is 110 to 240 volts, and then maximum power to 60 watts, and it supports a frequency of 50 hertz. I don't know what that means, but we will see. So yeah, that's the information about this guy. So this is actually the clamp. Funny part, this is plastic, so this is not a steel or any aluminum material. And the reason why they didn't do that is because the type of the desk that I need to use this on, it's actually wood, so that I don't have to damage it or maybe make any marks by using a hard material like a steel. So hence it's like that. So we can just do that. Let's open and see this guy here. Okay. All right. Okay, so it is springs. All right. 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 It's look fancy, huh? And then okay, so it clips, it works, and we just need to find a bulb and actually test it. So just hang on there. Let me go and find in a bulb and see if we can test this and make sure that it's working. I'm just gonna remove this cable here. Okay, there's a switch so I can plug it. Yep, let's go and find a bulb. Oops. Okay, so for the sake of this video, I'm gonna clamp it on the chain. Oof. Okay. yeah, so it does work. And I think we just need to get a smart light for it. So it's working. Whoop. So I'm gonna turn the light aside. Yeah, so it does work. Then the main idea is for me to have the light face down here while I actually do my work, and I will kill the rest of the light in the room and depend on this one. So that has been it. So I'm sure you guys, you are now looking forward to my next video, where we're actually gonna be having this thing incorporated into the setup. And like I said, I'll promise that I'm gonna try to make it as neat as possible, and I'm trying to make this as beautiful and nice as possible so that you guys can be inspired to do the same setup. So that's it for this video, guys. I will check you on my next video on Tuesday. So make sure that you are subscribed, like this video, drop a comment below. Let's have a chat about the setup, and let me know what are your suggestions and questions about the setup series that I'm doing. And I'll definitely see you guys on my next video. Bye.